Okay, another day, another AI. So this time we have Google Vids. So Google Vids was launched way back 2024 November and December. So 2 years na. So let me give you an example kung saan niya siya paggamit. So just click sign into Vids, tapos you will have a blank canvas. So browser based, no need to install anything as long as you have a Google account. You have the editor straight from your account. So let's have an example. Let's say kaning image. Now I'm going to animate this image. Static rin siya. It's just an image file, JPEG or PNG or PNG file. What I'm going to do is go to AI video, tapos create, edit, select animate. Next na kong buhaton guys is to drag the image. There we go. So just drag. And there. Ano to? Oh, here we go. So just type animate, portrait, omni is fine. Tapos, let's see. So I'm gonna pause the video first. Alright, so 100% na. Insert, you can also extend, edit, recreate, remove. I'm going to click insert video. Okay, so you have 10 seconds of animated video. Let's check.
Get ready for an umami bomb! Maggi Savor brings out the intense flavor, perfect for any dish. Just a drop makes it delicious. Maggi Savor, bomb sa sarap!
I mean, katong ganiyan na po na yung laing variation. This is another variation, but guys, I mean, just a few clicks, na yung audio, na po yung voice over. So that's AI for you. Thank you for watching.